Hum yum 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 yum. Hum yum 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 yum. Hum yum 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 yum. Oh my goodness, look at all of that food. And our poor little Play-Doh man can't even eat it because he doesn't have any teeth. You know what that means. We gotta make him some teeth with this white Play-Doh. Are you ready, Mr. Play-Doh man? Okay. Here's our cute little tooth maker. Let's open his mouth up. And let's open up one of our white Play-Dohs. What? That Play-Doh isn't white. That Play-Doh's orange. What? Do you expect me to make teeth out of orange Play-Doh? You're crazy. Let's try the next one. What? This Play-Doh's red. What? Red Play-Doh? Look, it even had a little bit of blue in it. How am I supposed to make teeth out of red and orange Play-Doh? Maybe these ones are white. Nope, this one's green. What kind of teeth do you want him to have? Okay, let's hope this one's white. Oh my goodness, this one's blue. Who did this? Who switched out the Play-Doh? Oh my goodness, of course it was Chase. What? Why was it me? 'Cause you're always throwing pranks, Chase. Oh, I guess you're right. Tee, have fun making your colored teeth. Haha. Oh my goodness, Chase, such a trickster. Okay, well, let's get started making our teeth. But first, we need to make a tongue. Let's make a blue tongue. That's gonna be funny. So we're just gonna push the Play-Doh over that and let's close his mouth. And look, it's a tongue. We just gotta take off this extra part of tongue. There, look at his funny blue tongue. Let's add a little more on top. Okay, take that extra off. Now his tongue is normal sized. There, look how funny that tongue is. He has a blue tongue. Okay, now let's start making him some teeth. Let's start off with some orange teeth. We're just gonna grab some Play-Doh and put on each of these teeth. Look, we're just gonna fill in this side. See, and then we're gonna squish it together. Did that make some teeth? Oh, it did make some teeth. Let's add a little bit more Play-Doh in there though. Whoops. Okay, here we go. There we go. That's some good old Play-Doh. Look at it go, look at it go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice, okay. So let's stick his orange tooth in there. Both of his orange teeth in his mouth. Now let's make some green teeth. This time we're gonna fill in both sides of the teeth. Whoops. Let's fill in that side and then let's fill in this side. We need a little more for this tooth. Make sure there's a little bit of extra in there. Close it up really good. Whoa! And check it out. Green. There's some green teeth. Oh my goodness, look how funny those are. Okay, now let's do some red teeth. Stick it in our Play-Doh. Ooh, that's a lot on that side. Oops. Always falling out. Fill in this side. Okay, squeeze them together. Oh yeah. Oh, look how cool that tooth is. It has that blue in it. I'm gonna stick it right there. Now this big tooth stick back there. Now we have to make blue teeth. Okay, you ready? Blue teeth, here we come. There. Nice blue teeth. There we go. There, that's his whole bottom row. Now we gotta do his top row of teeth. So let's start with blue. Look, that's all that's left of the blue Play-Doh. Now let's do some blue teeth. Check it out. Now red. Are you so ready for some red teeth? That one's gonna look cool, I think. Okay, let's squeeze the red together. There. Ooh, yeah, let's put red right there. And red up here. Oh. Yeah, like that. Okay, we only have 2 more colors. Let's finish off our green teeth. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more color, then we'll be done with all of his teeth. Okay, here we go. Squish it. Okay, there's our last teeth. Boom. Okay. Now look. Oh my goodness. He can't even close his mouth. He has so many teeth. Here, let's take out these back ones. There we go. That closes enough. Now let's cut him up some food to eat. Here, let's cut up this orange fish first. There's some orange for him to eat. Orange fish. Ooh. There's some watermelon for him to eat. Here's a cool mushroom for him to eat. Ooh, there's some corn. Let's get this one up. Ooh, some grape. Ooh, what's this? A pepper. A carrot. Ooh, look at this thing. This is an eggplant. Oh, what's this? This is some dragon fruit. Look, we also have some strawberry. How about here? This is an apple and kiwi. Oh, don't forget this pizza. There, here's a slice of pizza. Now we gotta feed it all to our funny Play-Doh man. Here you go. Hum, yum, yum, yum. One of his teeth fell out. Hum, yum, 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 yum. Hum, yum, 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 yum. Hum, yum, 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 yum. Hum, yum, yum. Hum, yum, yum. Hum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oops. Hum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I am so full. Blah, 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 blah. You're funny. Yay, I love his teeth. I bet you do, Chase. All right, that's it for our funny Play-Doh teeth man. Okay, time to say bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. No way, look. Hi guys, look at all of our fun friends we have here. And look, we have a bubble blowing Marshall. So we're gonna try to turn all of our friends into some bubbles. That sounds awesome. So okay, look, we're gonna use our bubble blowing Marshall and we're gonna turn Shine right here into some bubbles. So here's his bubbles coming out. Now let's blow them on Shine. Oh, look at what just happened. Shine totally turned into bubbles. That was awesome. Look. And there's a bubble one that blows bubbles. Look how awesome that is. Oh my goodness, how did he turn them into bubbles? So there's Shine. Oh my gosh, that was magic. So cool, Shine is all bubbles now. Okay, look, our next one is Poppy. Are we going to be able to turn Poppy into bubbles? Let's see. Oh my goodness. No way, look. We got Bubble Poppy. Look at her. It's Poppy. And when we untwist, here's our bubble wand. All our bubbles. Oh my goodness. Look, let's hit these guys with bubbles. Oh my goodness. How is he turning them into bubbles? So cool. So now we have those two bubbles. Good job, Marshall. You're awesome. Look at all those bubbles. Okay. Now look, let's do Chase. Oh, don't fall over, Shimmer. Okay, look, we're gonna do Chase now. Chase is right there. So let's hit him with some bubbles. Look at that! We got Chase bubbles too. Whoa. Let's take off this top and look. Bubble wand. Here, let's blow it. Oh my goodness. Look at all those bubbles. That was so cool. Look. Now we have these 3 bubbles. That was so cool. You're awesome, Marshall. Look, we have all these guys to do still. So let's do Skye now. Let's hit her with the bubbles. There we go. Look, we got Skye to turn into bubbles too. How did that even happen? Wow! Oh my goodness, look at her. Look, we got bubbles. Here, let's hit these guys over here. Look how cool these bubbles are. That is so cool that these guys have just turned into bubbles. Marshall, you're just a magic bubble pup. Okay, look, we have 3 more friends that we're gonna need to turn into bubbles. Okay, look, we have Shimmer right here with her pink hair. Shimmer's next. All right, Marshall, let's get her. Shimmer! Shimmer! Wow! No way! We got Shimmer to turn into bubbles. Oh my goodness, look, she is so pink. See, look, shimmer and shine. Look, ugh. We can pull this right off. And let's hit all these guys with bubbles now. Oh my goodness, those are the coolest bubbles ever! Look at that! We're turning all of our friends into bubbles! It is so fun! Look, now we have Mickey and Minnie next. So look, let's get Mickey first. Oh my goodness! Look, Marshall, look what you did! We got Bubble Mickey! Look at it! We have Mickey bubbles! Oh, Mickey Mouse, that is so funny! How do you keep doing that? Whoop! And look, his bubble wand's connected. So let's hit all these guys. Let's do a little more. Those bubbles are so fun. I can't believe we turned Mickey into bubbles. Look, we only have 1 person left. This has been so fun with all these bubbles, huh, Marshall? Yeah, Marshall! Marshall bubbles! They're getting everywhere. Okay, look, we only have 1 friend left. Let's get Minnie. Let's put her up here. There we go. Get her! Look at all the bubbles! We covered Minnie with bubbles. Look at all the bubbles! Bubbles everywhere! Oh my goodness! Look! Oh! Look! Minnie turned into bubbles too! That was awesome! Look! She has her bubble wand there too! And look over here, let's hit Mickey! Mickey and Shimmer! Oh my goodness! That was so many bubbles for Minnie! Look at all of our friends that turned into bubbles. Let's hit all of them with bubbles again. Bubbles, Marshall, Bubbles. That was so fun. Okay, say bye to Marshall and all of our bubble friends. That was so fun. Who's your favorite? I really liked Marshall. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.
Time to watch more videos.